Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to create a cool gallery with lots of different layout. To see what the video is like, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment yeah. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, I have page like this, and then go to search widget and type filterable gallery from essential add-on and drag here like this, and then go to gallery items. You can scroll down, click gallery items and change item title, maybe dental checkup, and scroll down. You can change description, scroll down, choose image. You can upload image, but I have uploaded, and scroll down. I select this, select like this, but I speed up. Okay, scroll up. You can go to setting and you can select layout, overlay. This is overlay like this, and card like this, or search and filter like this, or grid flow like this. It's so beautiful. Click like this and close, or harmonic like this. You can select two like this, and click load more button like this. You can yes or no, hide or show like this. Icon, you can change like this or like this. Insert, and then back to setting and select overlay like this. For columns, 3 like this, and you can go to setting, style. You can scroll down, control, background, red like this, or scroll down, text color like this, background color like this, and scroll down, box shadow like this, and item. You can change background color like this. Okay, skip, and mouse over effect. You can click like this, blue like this. Okay, title typography, you can change the color like this, red like this. Offer color, you can change like this, and then content typography like this. Like this. Okay, scroll down, video, skip icon. You can change background color like this, blue, but I select red color like this, but I select white like this. Okay, scroll down, not found text, skip and load more button. Load more button. You can change the color like red and background like this, but I select red and for text color is white like this. Okay, for your information, for grid flow and harmonic, it's only for pro version. The link in the description below.
Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment so I can make more videos like this. Thank you.